Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking hassacookuprice and fried butterfish. I finished cleaning the hassa. Now I'm going to corn them. And I have sugar and salt in here. You want to make sure you get it in the hassa and on the outside. And we're gonna cover them and then we will cook them. I have the black eye which I've soaked overnight. My water is boiling. We will let the black eye cook until they are soft. I'll cut the butterfish in 2 pieces. Now I'll mark them. And when you mark the fish, the seasoning will get in and it will season properly. That's the reason for marking the fish. We're all done. Now I'll blend up the seasoning for the hassa and the butterfish. Green onion, garlic, chili peppers, marmite pork, and pudina. Now I'll add some water. And this is ready. For the hassa, I'll add black pepper and fish seasoning. And we'll leave these for 1 hour, then we'll fry them. For the butterfish, I have seafood seasoning, black pepper, turmeric or dye, and salt. And this seasoning we blended. And we'll leave these for an hour and then we'll fry. And the black eye is ready. Arrow, potato or aloo, plantain, now I'll add boiling water to the black eye. And now I'll add the onion. I have the cassava already peeled and cut up. Now I'll add the provision, which I already washed. Now I'll add some of the coconut milk and continue boiling the provision and the black eye for 10 minutes. Now I'll fry the fish, and I have wheat flour in here. Now I'll add the seafood seasoning and black pepper. The provision has been boiling for 10 minutes now. And the fish is finished frying. Now I'll fry the hassa for the cook-up-rice. Now we'll turn the hassa to the other side. And the hassa finished frying. And the hassa is finished frying. So I just want to release the hassa flavor and just steam them. Now we'll remove the hassa. Now I'll add the rice. And the pigeon peas. I'm gonna continue cooking it in the wok for 10 minutes, and then I will put some in the karahi because it's gonna be too much for the wok. Now I'll put the peppers. Now I'll let the peppers steam so I can make the bakdam style sauce. Now I'll add boiling water for the rice to cook. Now add salt. And we're gonna cover and continue cooking on medium heat. Same thing, we'll cover and continue cooking on medium heat. Now I'll take some of the liquid to make the sauce. That's good. Now the rice is almost finished cooking. I'm going to add back the hassa at the top so they can just steam. Now I'll add the okra. And I just want the okra to steam. Now I'll blend up the garlic, the steamed peppers, and the liquid from the cook-up rice. Now add some salt. And the sauce is ready. Now I'll add the spinach. And the green onion. And the spinach has been steaming for 2 minutes, and the cook-up rice is finished cooking. The cook-up rice is finished. Here's my hassacookuprice, fried butterfish, Batam style pepper sauce, and homemade golden apple pepper sauce. Please like and subscribe. I will include the ingredients in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.